Upasana from Meridian Scientific Lab and Industry, and I am your lab instructor. This is your very first grade specific science kit created by Meridian Scientific Lab and Industry. Welcome to Science Lab in a Box. Hi friends, let's start today's experiment. For this experiment, we will need your Science Lab in a Box kit, concave mirror, reflection screen, candle, matchbox, and measuring tape. Let's start the experiment. This is the concave mirror. We will remove the concave mirror from its packet. This is how the concave mirror looks. This is the reflecting side of the concave mirror, and this is the non-reflecting side of the concave mirror. We are going to take out a double tape from the same packet, remove one side of the double tape, and attach it to the center of the non-reflecting side, like this. We will now take the measuring tape and measure the length of our candle. Start from 1 centimeter all the way till the tip of the candle. My measurement is 20 centimeter. My candle is 20 centimeter long. Now, I am going to take my kit box. I am going to take this side of my kit box. Take the measuring tape and measure 20 centimeters length on the kit box. Here, I have measured 20 centimeters. Exactly at 20 centimeters, I will place my concave mirror at the center of this box. Remove the sticker and place the concave mirror. This is my mirror stand and this is my mirror. Stop. The candle is our object. We are now going to place this object at different positions on our measuring tape and find the type of image that is being formed by the concave mirror. Take your mirror stand and the concave mirror and place it at the corner of your table like this. Now, take your measuring tape. Starting from 0 centimeters, you are going to now place the measuring tape at the center of your mirror stand, like this. I've placed my mirror stand with the mirror. I've also placed my measuring tape starting from point 0 at the pole. Now we are going to observe different scenarios. Let's observe scenario number 1. In scenario number 1, we are going to see where is the image formed if we place the candle at focal length. Our focal length is 10 inches. I'm going to take the candle. I'm going to light it with the matchstick. Be very careful when you are using the matchstick. I've lit my matchstick. Now I'm going to place my candle at 10 inches, which is the focal length. Whenever the object is at focal length, the image is always formed at infinity. I'm going to take my reflection screen and place it very far away from my candle and observe what kind of image is formed. Observe. This is the image that is formed. Observe how the image is formed, whether it is diminished or enlarged, whether it is erect or inverted, whether it is real or virtual. Let's start with scenario number 2. Scenario number 2 is when the object is placed between F and C. That is, it is placed between 10 inches and 20 inches. I am going to place my object at 15 inch. I've placed my candle at 15 inches. Whenever the object is placed between F and C, the image is always formed beyond C. That is beyond 20 centimeter, but not too far away. Let me place this object a little beyond 20 centimeter. My image is already formed. Observe. Let's start with scenario number 3. Scenario number 3 is when the object is placed beyond C. That is beyond 20 inches. I am going to place my object at 22 inches. I've placed my object at 22 inches. Whenever the object is placed beyond C, the image is always formed between F and C. That means my image will be formed somewhere between 10 inches and 20 inches. Observe. Let's move to scenario number 4. In this scenario, we are going to place our object exactly at C. Our C is at 20 inches. I place my object at 20 inches. Whenever the object is placed at C, the image is also formed at C. I am going to carefully fold my reflection screen and place it before the candle, right before the candle. Observe. Let's move to scenario number 5. In this scenario, we are going to place our candle at infinity. Which means that I am going to take my candle and place it at the other end of my table, like this. Now, whenever the object is placed at infinity, my image will always be formed at F. Right now, F is 10 inches. Let me place my reflection screen at 10 inches and observe. Observe. You will see a point-like image on the screen. Hi friends, this is Ashna, your lab instructor, signing off for today. Hoping to see you for the next experiment. Let's all say it together. अब हर बच्चा साइंस पढ़ेगा भी और करेगा भी.